Intelligent tips on properly using affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing can be a lucrative way to earn an extra income at home. However, it is more than just throwing together a website. There are things that you should do in order to become successful in affiliate marketing. Here are some tips to set you on the right path. The way to analyze any potential affiliate marketing program is to weigh the potential returns versus the costs. It is important to go beyond simple dollars and cents in this analysis. A cheap affiliate program that requires tons of work from the webmaster is not as cheap as it appears. A profitable program that annoys and alienates website visitors may cost more business than it brings in. After you've made a sale on your site, offer your new customer a chance to be an affiliate. By offering a customer a chance to make a commission when he sells your products, you can turn one sale into 1,000 potential sales. This can be a great way to do marketing on the internet. If you are interested in affiliate marketing, the most basic thing that you can do is to start with choosing a topic that you know well. It's the easiest way for you to build a site. Also, it means that you can provide your own opinions easier on things, and you will enjoy it a lot better if it's something you're interested in. Many stay-at-home parents are using affiliate marketing to make extra money or as a second income. Blogging about products and getting their blog out to the public can really earn them a decent income. Having extra time between activities is just enough to make some extra cash. You can see that it takes a bit of learning, in order to become a successful affiliate marketer. The suggestions described here are just some of the things that you should know and apply to your business. If you keep gaining knowledge and are willing to work hard on your business, you will become successful. Now that you got a clear idea about what affiliate marketing is, are you ready to start affiliate marketing for 100% free? Today, you can stop being a wantrepreneur to become a real entrepreneur. Click the link in the description to be taken step by step on the journey of becoming an expert in affiliate marketing. Imagine where you would have been if you took this step a year or a few months ago. Every journey starts by taking the first step. You are opportune to start today for 100% free. Take the right step and click the link in the description.